can only start up again after I stop filming. This is what these vermin do. They're not heroes. I won't clap for them. I hope someone claps at them. Pure putrid. Yeah, there you go. You hear that alarm? That's what they've been setting off all the last 2 or 3 hours. That alarm. So, you know, they're back to the usual bullshit tricks. Because this is the emergency services coordinating this. The revving too, you can hear. That stopped. It's been off and on for, well, all morning it's been off and on, that alarm. Alarm arse lickers, as I call them. But yeah, it's not being stopped. What I'm doing, exposing you fuckheads.